All right, YouTube, this is going to be another video I'm going to make here while I'm making my trailer build video. This is going to be a video about how to close big holes with flux core or stick welder. Right now my big Lincoln's got charging issues, so we're using this flux core machine. It's only got 0.030 wire in it, and the hole I'm closing, you can see I did a little bit there. It's pretty sizable, probably more than 1/4 inch. I'm not closing it completely, I'm just trying to get some welds on it. And then this is going to be it's like my welding trailer, and instead of drilling holes for drainage, this fit up is actually going to work perfect for a drainage hole. It's not supposed to be that way, it just so happens that, you know, whatever. But anyway, how you're going to close this is you're going to get like a piece of aluminum or copper. They even have like a ceramic backing strip that you tape to this stuff. But you get that, and it's pretty hot because I've been using it, but you pretty much just hold it underneath of where you're welding. So like if I want to close that, I weld right where that aluminum is, and then you know, you shouldn't, like, you can close pretty big gaps like this. Yeah, I'll put the camera down, get it on the tripod, and I'll show you that for a second. All right, so you know, before we start this, I would like to point out, if you can clamp this thing, preferably clamp it, don't hold it with your hands, because it gets pretty hot. You want to get it pretty tight to under there, and then, you know, you just start welding. You want to make little circles to try and close your gap. You don't want to stick your electrode like I did. And you just keep making circles. If it gets too hot, let off the trigger for a second and start again. And now, just like that, you got a pretty decent weld, hopefully. All right, so cleaned it up for a little bit with the wire brush, and it's kind of what it looks like there. It's not the best weld, but it'll hold. And that's what it does to your aluminum. So if you're trying to weld that aluminum again, I definitely would not recommend it. You can keep using it for stuff like this, but I would not recommend trying to weld that aluminum to another piece of aluminum. You're probably going to have a lot of problems. And then this, I don't know if you can see it, this is what the underside of that weld looks like. It's kind of flat. But yeah, that's how you close big holes with a flux core machine, like big holes.